Okay, so I did the first full panel glue up yesterday, and when I came in this morning, it's nice and set, so I put it in place and just have a couple of other things set in place just to see how it works. It's all nice and square, so I'm happy with it. Yesterday I did not have enough clamps by a dam site to do the rest of them. So when I got out of here yesterday, I went to the hardware store and I stripped them of all their 3 and 4 inch clamps. And so I've got all the rest of those side panels glued up and clamped down right now. All of them square, all of them tight. So I guess I'm done for the day. Tomorrow or whenever I come back in here, I can get on to assembling them. What I should do is go to one of the big box stores and see about getting those shelving slides so I can install them and get this finished up.